You drive over them every day, never suspecting that the structure beneath you is failing. From critical fatigue to decades of deferred maintenance, these are the top 5 bridges in the United States currently flagged for structural failure. This is not a drill, this is engineering at its breaking point. Data point 1. The Brooklyn Bridge, New York. Despite massive renovations, the sheer volume of 120,000 vehicles daily puts immense stress on the original 1883 steel cables. Current structural stress metrics indicate a warning level due to metal fatigue. Data point 2. The Memorial Bridge, Washington, D.C. Engineering reports confirm severe concrete spalling and corrosion of the steel reinforcement. With an age exceeding 90 years, the load-bearing capacity is being strictly monitored to prevent rapid degradation. Data point 3. The San Mateo Hayward Bridge, California. This is a high-risk zone for seismic activity. Engineering audits highlight structural vulnerability in the joints that connect the main spans, which could fail under significant lateral tectonic force. Data point 4. The Tappan Z Bridge, Replacement Area, New York. The historic integrity of the foundation piles has been a long-standing engineering concern. The soil density around the piers shows signs of instability, making the foundation a critical point of focus. Data point 5. The Eads Bridge, St. Louis. While iconic, its 150-year-old steel structure is constantly fighting corrosion. The current load-bearing capacity is pushed to the limit by modern heavy freight trains, leading to accelerated structural decay. The reality of our infrastructure is a silent crisis. When these numbers reach the red zone, the bridge doesn't just need repairs, it needs to be decommissioned. The question isn't if they will fail, but when. Subscribe to Global Index 360 for the latest structural reports. You need to know which roads to avoid. Stay tuned for the next data update.